Hi guys, welcome to the homestead. Today I'm going to transplant my fruit trees. So I bought these trees a couple of months ago and they were actually doing so well that I haven't taken them out of their pots yet. I've just been watering them and they've been inside in my, what I call my green room, which is really just my dining room, but it's got a nice south-facing window that they've been sitting in. But I think it's time to put them in a little bit bigger pots, so I got them each a pot here, and today I'm going to transplant them. I've been putting off transplanting them because it seems like every time I transplant something it croaks on me, so here's the best of luck to get them transplanted and not kill them. So I have a tangerine here. These are all tropical trees, so these will all have to come inside in the winter, but it's warm enough out now that they should be just fine to be outside. I am going to have to watch the weather though, because we've been getting a lot of rain and we got some hail last night, which actually devastated all of my sweet peppers, so I'm going to have to actually replant most of my sweet peppers because the hail just completely devastated them. You can't even see some of the ones that I planted. They were just completely pelted into the ground. I can't even find them. So, and that was for the smaller ones, but even the bigger ones aren't looking so well for my sweet peppers. The hot peppers, most of them managed to do just fine. So, but anyways, we've got a tangerine here, and we have a lemon here. And this one here is the orange tree, and this one here is a lime tree. So I'm gonna get those transplanted into these pots. Alright, so TJ's gonna help me today. TJ, why don't you come and get just a little bit of dirt like this and put it in the bottom of the pot like that. Can you do that? One for each. Okay, get one scoop for each pot.
Hey, Mama.
Yep.
And this one?
Yep. I'm just putting in a little bit of fertilizer. These aren't very big containers, so they don't need a ton of fertilizer. Right. And they still have some dirt in their containers, so, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We feel like
So,
half of all these.
Start with this lemon one, but we're gonna have to
We
be
filled
real
like-
careful.
We filled like 7 of these up yesterday.
Yeah, we did. We filled like 7 of those up yesterday. Alright, we're gonna be real careful because this one's got really sharp pricklies. See those big thorns?
Yeah.
You guys see those big thorns? So we gotta be real careful with this one or it'll stab us.
Okay.
Okay.
Even the roots are speckly. Like,
No, I don't think the roots probably have any thorns on them.
well, I do.
Okay, we're gonna save this. We're gonna stick it in the thing afterwards so that we know what we planted. Alright. Out it comes. Oh, it's not too root bound. It probably could have stayed in there a little longer. Alright. Okay, so TJ, now we need to put dirt around it. Can you help me do that?
Yeah.
Alright, you put dirt around it while I get this one ready.
Does that have thorns?
No, this one doesn't have thorns. This is the orange tree and it does not have thorns.
Good.
Okay, we don't want it to go on top, so be real careful, okay?
I will be real. We're using this whole thing together. You don't want it to pass the line, right, Mama?
Right.
And not to get the break it and stuff like that. But I think that breaking.
Okay. Don't do that. Okay. We just want to put the dirt in there. We don't want to stab it down in. Okay. Stab it down in there, then we're gonna expose the roots, and we don't want to do that. Ouch. Should have put some gloves on.
Yeah, you could go do that.
I could. You're right. All right, put just a little bit more in there, and then I think it'll be good. It's kind of sticky dirt, isn't it? There we go.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this next one ready.
I can't use the big one.
Ooh.
Mama,
All right.
Mom, why can't I use these?
Because this is a little project, so we need a little spade.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that
I
one
hope
goes.
Mom's plants don't die. Really, Mama?
Well, I hope not. Okay. TJ, why don't you put one more scoop in the bottom of this one? Because these are sitting down a little lower than I think I want. All right, and then hand Chloe the spade so that she can.
This one.
Yep, let her do that one.
This one we got these bags full. Yep. Look, don't put any more in there. Because Mom doesn't
That's
like
enough.
it.
Yep, that's enough. Okay, hold on.
Okay, wait. Mom, I have to fight that.
Well, we're gonna be done. These two are the last two. You did two, and Chloe can do two.
Mama, can I water one?
It's more root back, but it's bigger also. So.
Mama, can I water one?
Okay, Chloe, can you put some dirt around the edges here?
Mama, once you guys are done, can I water them?
Yeah, why don't you go fill that up for me?
I want to water them.
Just like that. And then kind of push it down in.
Now make sure the roots are not out.
Push it down in those cracks.
The stem.
Okay. I need a little bit more right here, Chloe. Get those roots down there. Yep, can you put the rest of it in there? Go ahead and put the whole thing in there. Yep.
Oh, it's the way out. Drink. Tangerine.
The tangerine. We're gonna do the tangerine
What's
one.
a tangerine?
It's like the little oranges.
Oh. Emma, why?
I think tangerines are better than oranges.
I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I think they taste equal.
Okay.
Don't oranges grow on trees or tangerines?
Yeah, that's what these are.
So they have.
These are trees.
Oh. And what's this one?
That one's a tree too.
Mm.
It's just a little tree.
All of them?
Yep, they're all trees. Okay, can you come give this one a drink? And this one?
Can he do two and I do two?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's probably good because that soil's pretty moist still. Oh, we've got some roots showing, so we're going to want to put some more dirt in that one.
We're doing mud.
Yep, in this one. Yep. Okay, give Chloe the...
Bye.
Your chunker.
Bye.
Hey, Mom. Why does everybody invite mushrooms to the party? Because he's a fun guy. Ha.
Why does everyone bring the mushrooms to the party?
Alright, so now I have to figure out where I want to put these. They haven't really been acclimated to the outdoors yet, so we have to kind of do that gradually. We don't want to do that all at once. So I'm actually just going to leave these out here for a couple of hours today, and then they will go back inside. So I think this is probably a good spot because it's nice and shady here. So thanks for coming along and looking at my lemon trees, and hopefully I'll get my pepper tree planted sometime soon.